Good morning. Thanks for joining us this Thursday, the 7th of July. I'm Paulina Peters, a market analyst with Bell Direct. Well, yesterday our local market closed in the red for the first time this week, declining 0.5% off the back of renewed worries about a global recession. This led to a sharp fall in the Aussie dollar, commodity prices and global markets. Mining and energy stocks suffered heavy losses, with both sectors sinking more than 5%. Offsetting the gains seen across most other sectors like real estate and tech. Looking at the ASX 200 leaderboard, many of the winners were tech stocks following the strong lead from the US Nasdaq. Stocks like Megaport, Life360, Zip and EML Payments were all up more than 10%. On the flip side, the 10 biggest decliners were all from the materials sector, led by gold miner St. Barbara, SBM, which was down 9.5%, along with stocks like Rio Tinto and Woodside Energy, WDS. And the most traded stocks by Bell Direct clients yesterday were BHP, the BetaShares Geared Australian Equity Hedge Fund, GEAR, and Woodside Energy. In the US, stocks pushed slightly higher following the latest minutes from the US Federal Reserve, which reiterated the central bank's commitment to bringing down inflation. Energy stocks were some of the worst performers on the day as oil prices continued their recent slide. So moving to our market today, following the positive session in the US, our local market is set to open 0.5% higher if you go by the SPI futures. Economic news-wise, balance of trade data for May will be released at 11:30 a.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time. Now that's the difference between what we export versus what we import, and consensus expects May's reading to come in higher at 10.725 billion. Keep watch of payments company Block SQ2 after its US listed shares dropped into the red overnight. And moving to commodities, oil prices have continued to slide, falling below US $100 a barrel. Gold is trading lower, down 1.5% to US $1,739 an ounce. And the spot iron ore price trades at US $114 a tonne. Now let's end with some trading ideas for your consideration. Citi have retained its buy rating on Lovisa Holdings, LOV, with a price target of $20.40. Lovisa has expanded into 2 new markets, having opened its first stores in Canada and Poland. In Citi's view, this is an encouraging sign for Lovisa, given it indicates the company's intention to continue to expand its global store network, and it reduces the company's reliance on the US rollout. Citi also noted, however, that its top picks in small cap retail are Baby Bunting and Bapcor BAP. At its current share price of $15.46, this implies 32% share price growth in a year. And Trading Central has a bearish signal on engineering services company Wally, WOR, indicating that the stock price may fall from the close of $13.62 to the range of $11.10 to $11.60 in the next 19 days according to standard principles of technical analysis. And that's all for today. I'm Paulina Peters with Bell Direct. Have a lovely day and happy trading.